We're here shopping in the Bishop Arts. There's so many cool street vendors. So many people here today. We're just out hanging out. This is my birthday vlog. So come along with us as we hang out here in the Bishop Arts District. Bishop's Arts District is one of my favorite stops whenever we're in Dallas. They have the absolute cutest shop, and this one was actually Pinkitzel, and I saw it on my FYP and we had to go. It is an all pink sweet wonderland, and they had so many cute things, especially for my birthday. While we were there, we checked out the treats, saw some cute shirts. I did not buy this one, but I definitely should have. There's me with it. And they had so many other cute things for us to shop around and check out while we were here. No, these are cool.
Candles are going to be found and hand-formed by our owners. It's the true biscuit vessels. They're all made out of organic soy coconut wax base, natural essential oils, 100% cotton wax, and they are refillable. So once you burn them down, you bring back this $1.95 an ounce.
Wow, thank you.
They smell different, so every one of them should have a price tag on the inside of the lid if it has one. If not, it'll have it on the very bottom. That's so cool.
Thank you so much. There are absolutely so many different shops to check out. We were shopping probably for hours, and every single shop has one of the cutest stories, and just getting to meet all the owners and workers. It's such a vibrant area, showcasing local artworks and handmade designs, and just some really cool artisan finds that you won't find anywhere else in Dallas. The Bishop Arts District just comes to life, and you can really see how much care and dedication is crafted through all of these beautiful artworks, and just how everybody comes together to have a good time, shop, and hang out. Now, I can't remember the name of every shop we stopped into, so if I can, I will try and put it up on the screen, but this shop was so cute. This was a super cool stationery and print shop. They actually had their own printing press and print shop literally inside the store. So not only did they have local artists, but the artists could actually get their artworks printed right there. So cool. Cameron, what are we doing today?
Shopping for your birthday.
Thank you. After a few hours of shopping, we were so ready for lunch, and thankfully there's the cutest little brunch stop right across the street. It is called Paradiso Dallas, and we've been there before, and oh my gosh, it is absolutely delicious. So as we were shopping, we knew we had to make a stop and head on over to Paradiso for brunch.
Section part, these bottom four are going to be our seasonal ones. The Ojo Rojo and the Winter Spice have been the most popular ones so far. I definitely recommend trying because we are about to switch over to our spring menu in March. Okay. If we don't drink, we also have really good mocktails at the bottom of our drink menu. For food, we're going to be on the brunch menu, which is going to be that very first pink one. Brunch entrees, and the sandwiches. And then we're gonna put the menus all the way to the back of the white. The back of the white page is gonna be our brunch appetizer with fire pizza, sides, and salad.
Ooh, okay.
We are on the brunch menu until 3. After 3, we go to our limited menu, which is just pizza and pasta. So if we want something besides pizza and pasta, I have to get it in before 3 o'clock.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. We got some really cute drinks, and obviously we had to do our celebratory cheers because it's my birthday, if you did not understand that. I did get the pizza because that is what they're most known for. My husband got some sort of sandwich and some of the most amazing fries. And honestly, everything was so good and looked absolutely amazing. Plus, again, the whole space looked amazing. So, such a cute little spot and perfect for a birthday treat because everything is so pink and fun. And just everything has such good vibes, and everybody here is just having a really good time. As I mentioned, we have actually been here before. We came for my birthday back in 2024, which is absolutely crazy. So of course we had to come again in 2026 to try it out, what felt like the very first time. We just got done eating at Paradiso, birthday lunch. So fun, everything was so delicious, and it's so pretty out here. How fun, what a great day, and some wonderful food. Hey! Coffee time! Oh my gosh, what a vibe. Debbie? No, D for Dallas. Oh my gosh, it's cute.
Oh, you want some candy cigarettes?
Oh my god, I didn't even know they had those anymore.
Oh, it's bubble gum.
Come as you are. Okay, we went to so many different shops here in the Bishop Arts District. It's poppin' on a Saturday. We actually came the day before the Bishop Bazaar, so I totally would have wished we would have come tomorrow, but honestly there were still so many people. Everything was packed and we got so many fun goodies. Honestly, we've just been shopping all morning and there's so many cool, amazing artisan shops and handmade goods and everything in between. So this is really one of my favorite stops in Dallas. So if you have not had a chance, come to the Bishop Arts District.